me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. That was fun. I'm doing a laundry. Let's be funny. This is the second time I tried to record this. The first time in Rich Man's World. My sound is being stupid. All the things I could do if I had a little money. Cat calls. That's what it is about. Cat calls. I've even gotten cat calls in this. Hey sexy, hey hottie, hot. Don't call me that. Only my boo can call me that. He calls me that out. Fancy me. So I must see, I have to go to Las Vegas or Monaco. Living a fortune in a game, my life will never be the same. I don't know why I did that. In a rich man's world. Money, money, money. Always said me. In a rich man's world. Oh, all the things I could do if I had a little money. Money, money. Must be funny. In a rich man's world. Where's my song? Money. In a rich man's world. Oh, all the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world. I even got a song called PYT. If you don't know what that means, you are not an MJ fan. Or you've heard it, you just don't know what it means. You type in Michael Jackson PYT into the search bar above. And I think you know it. And you'll find out what it means. And in my mind, it must come to an end. And pretty thing. Pretty, cute, cutie. Fire within my soul. What's one look and I can hear a bell ring? One more look and I'll forget everything. Whoa. I've been listening to that often. Wish I did. Just how much I missed you. Yes, I'm broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia. No, my, I should not have let you go. My hair is a mess. In case you don't recognize me, this is what I have to do every time. I can't count all the times I've cried over you. Look at me now. Will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I started to lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist ya? Mamma mia, here we go again. My. If you have any suggestions for the next video, please comment that down below. Cause I'm running out of ideas. Why did I ever let you go? By the way, you know who you are? My two girls, my two BFFs from school. I have more than two. I should have remembered that. But the two I'm specifically about, I sit with you guys at lunch. You want to know more about my boyfriend? And you guys are huge fans of me. That's not why I became best friends with you. I haven't let you go. I did not delete the videos. They're still here. You just need to search a little harder because I have them under the same thing. I just don't know why I can't get to them. I don't like this hair. I want to go back to my other, where I'm like this. But I think I look cute. I've gotten a lot of compliments like this. I've even gotten people saying, "Hey, your boobs look big." I know that's not about my hair, but oh well. You can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch and see, singing the dancing queen. I've been watching way too many Mamma Mia. I'm not gonna do that. I've been having some severe stomach trouble. For little kids who ever watch my show, I've been having tummy ache. If you're wondering how I can do a childish voice so easily, it's because two things. One, I am a child. Duh. I never want to grow up. I love being a child. And two, I have children around me 24/7. 24/7. Because I have nieces, nephews, younger siblings. Yeah. You can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life. Ooh. Everything you turn on. You can't see me. Then you're gone. On another, anyone will do. You can move or die. When you get the chance. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. I'm not 17 yet. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance. I'll stop this at 10 minutes. Let's get this over with. 1. Cat calls are annoying. You should not do them. I hate cat calls. That's it! That's really all I can think about it for cat calls. If you like this video, please like, comment, and click that subscribe button because I do make new videos whenever they want. Bye guys! Don't forget to leave a comment down below saying if you have a good suggestion for me to do, like types of siblings or something. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. Bye, guys.